How to fix Instagram story music not found. So if you don't find your searched music on your Instagram, then what you have to do is first of all open up your Instagram application, and here after opening, now make sure you have a stable internet connection, and after that you can go to your story, which is on the upper left corner, and then you can simply choose a story that you would like to upload. And now if you want to add music, then you can go to the sticker icon and then you can simply choose music. Now the problem is you don't find the song, right? So the main thing is the music that you are searching for might not be available. So I think that might be the issue that you are facing, and even though others can have that music and you don't have that, so in that case what you have to do is you have to simply go to your settings, your phone settings, and then you can go to apps and choose Instagram. And after choosing Instagram, you can go to storage and cache option, and then you can tap on clear cache. So that was the another way. And the last way is to open up your Play Store application, and then on the search bar you have to search for Instagram. And now if you have an update option, you can simply tap on update and make sure your Instagram is up to date. Options or ways through which you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.